What's up, everybody? This is your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So a company called ICONNTECHS sent me out their action camera for review, right? This is a good one. This is kind of a GoPro alternative for $80. This has the waterproof 4K resolution, 1080p 60, and all the bells and whistles. Also a remote, and it has Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go over it and see what it's all about. So get your popcorn ready and let's have some fun. And follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So ICONNTECHS have sent me out the action camera for review. This is the 4K edition for $80. So let's go ahead and go over the device and let me give you my thoughts on how the camera works. So let's go ahead and talk about the specs on the action camera. This action camera has a super wide angle lens, which is 170 degrees. It also has a 2.4 gig remote control that's included in the box. It has a 2-inch LCD display. It has micro SD storage that's not included. It has a slew of accessories. It also has input and output micro USB to HDMI. The resolution on this camera is 4K at 25 frames per second, 2.7K at 30 frames per second, and this camera can shoot at 1080p 60 frames per second. Also, for your still shots, you can shoot at 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 4 megapixels. The battery that's included in the box, which is 2 of them, is 1350 milliamp, and it is waterproof up to 98 feet, and it does have Wi-Fi capability. So as you can see that this action camera is a GoPro alternative, and it has a lot of features included with the package that you're going to get. So unboxing the action camera, you get a nice presentation, GoPro style, right? So when you open it up the top, you're presented with the device, and when you slide it out, it's nice. It has all the waterproof covering already installed on the action camera. So unpackaging the rest of the box, you are greeted with a slew of accessories. I mean, a lot of accessories comes with this package, which is a good thing. Not only that, but it does include an extra battery, which is a good thing. So as you can see, all the accessories is included in the box with this action camera. Let me go ahead and show you guys some settings with this camera. So check this out. Okay, so let's go over the settings here. As you can see, the camera, when you first turn it on, is going to be at a 1080p 60 frames per second, right? So in order to get into settings, I am going to quickly press the front button here to get into settings. All right, so once you click one time, you're going to get into your camera mode here, which is set at 12 megapixels out of the box. You got your burst mode and stuff like that, your time lapse. Then here is your settings. So I'm going to click the top here to get into the settings. Now you have a lot of settings here. You got your video resolution, looping video, timestamp, exposure, photo resolution. You got burst photo. You got also time lapse, continue lapse. You do have power, frequency, language, time and date, sound indicator, upside down, screensaver, power, save, and format. All right, and reset in the version. All right, let's go back up to video resolution. I want y'all guys to see the video resolution here. You got 1080p 60, 1080p 30, 720p at 120 frames per second, 720 at 60 frames per second, 4K at 25, and 2K, which is 2.7K at 30 frames per second. All right, so that's going to be the settings there. All right, and let's go to the photo resolution. All right, so the photo resolution is going to be 12 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel wide, and a 4 megapixel wide. So that's going to be your settings for your photo. All right, so let me go on and shoot some video so you guys can see this camera in action. So check this out. All right, guys, so this is 1080p 60 frames per second on the action camera, and you read it just for yourself. We're looking at this camera here, looking at the footage here of this camera, which is 1080p 60 frames per second. So let's go on and look at my background here. And let's take a look at this. As you can see, right there, which is nice. All right, and hopefully you get the gist of how the camera works here on this action camera. As you can see, you be the judge for yourself when looking at the video footage and the still footage coming out of this 4K camera. Now again, it is waterproof, so you can submerge this underwater. You could take pictures underwater and video underwater with this action camera. I will leave all the purchasing links down in the description below where you can pick this up, and I will have a special code where you can get a discount if you want to purchase this. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the action camera in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.